Hi.
Dr. Walker here, Walker Family Chiropractic. I have people ask me what is the best foam roll. These half foam rolls are actually for doing balance work. They're not to roll on. Hopefully people can figure out that you aren't going to roll very far on a half foam roll. If you are looking for one for balance work, this one is more comfortable. However, it does cost more than twice as much as just the regular black foam. So that's these guys. The next is the grid. They sell it at Big 5. You can order it online. This one came from tptherapy.com. They are about $40. They're compact. They're great for travel. Is actually the person who travels a lot and wants to use it, like you're doing triathlon, something like that. They're great because you can actually stuff the inside with your socks and underwear, and you aren't losing any space in your suitcase. Other than that, I think it's a little pricey for what it is. It is a decent product. You have different configurations of lumps and bumps on there, so sometimes you can find something that matches up well with your musculature in your back. But for the most part, pretty expensive for what it is. I bought this one. I believe it is called the Grid, but don't hold me to it. It was very expensive. It looks really cool. I haven't had anybody like it ever. It's too painful and awkward. And right about the time you get on the spot that you were trying to get to, you roll off of it. So this one's definitely not a contender either. The pink one is the soft one. I thought that was kind of funny. Maybe we're being a little sexist that the pink girl color was the soft one or whatnot. But at any rate, when you actually go to use this, it is too soft. It feels great the first time you use it and people like it and want to buy them, but it's not going to do the job that you're trying to get it to do. So just too soft unless you absolutely can't stand anything else. I don't recommend this one. The blue is actually the same brand. It's OPTP, and it is by far my favorite. I like the consistency of it. I like the pattern on it. It helps grip your clothing. I like that if it gets dog hair on it or anything else, you can just rinse it off in the shower. Like everything about it except for the price. These things are almost $50. So for a lot of people, it's just not worth the extra money. If you factor cost in, my favorite becomes the just hard black foam roll. Unfortunately, I don't see them sold at Big 5 or a lot of other places. They are all over online, anywhere from $20 to $35. I think this one is $30 after tax sold here. And it's just a great foam roll. I haven't had any comeback. Same as far as being able to rinse it off and things like that. It's not quite as forgiving and the texture isn't quite as easy on clothing as that one is, but for a $20 difference in price, this one's pretty good bang for your buck. And then if you're really looking for just the cheapest way to go, this is the exact same as this foam roll. It's just cut into a third, and they sell for about a third the price. So you're looking at $10 to get one of these. And I have used these to roll every part of my body, and they do work. For the extra money, I do like having the longer roll just because it's easier to maneuver around to get to where you want it without it disappearing under you, especially if you're a bigger person. So that's my advice on foam rolls.